Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Insane Worlds. 6. Littorina snails. Moving away for a moment from high-level food production that requires cultivation and nourishment, it's time to introduce the Littorina snail. This marsh periwinkle likes to feed on fungus. However, to create lush fields of food to feast upon, they first do something very risky. These snails go above the water, where they are more visible to predators, to gnaw blades of swamp grass. This activity was puzzling to scientists as the swamp grass isn't particularly high in nutritional value for the snails. The open air is detrimental to them. However, this activity is short-term pain for long-term gain. Number 5. The owl limpet. This is North America's largest limpet, growing up to 4 inches, 10 centimeters in length. These small mollusks are very territorial and defend their gardens by ramming intruders off the rocks. Their homes are important to protect as they carefully graze and cultivate algae to sustain themselves. They maintain a mat of algae of roughly 1 square foot or 1,000 square centimeters in size through a mucus they secrete. As owl limpets graze on their algae gardens, they leave a slimy trail that enhances the growth of algae. They don't stray too far from home because retracing their mucus trails ensures a rich growing environment. It takes roughly 3 weeks for an owl limpet to establish a farm if placed in a barren environment. However, it can be devastating for the ecosystem if the limpet is removed, as the farm will be entirely devoured and left devoid of sustenance by other algae feeders in the span of just 2 weeks. An owl limpet can maintain the same garden through staggered feeding and mucus secretion for approximately 4 years. It should be noted that only the females of the species exhibit this behavior. By contrast, the males are opportunistic feeders who frequently find their food by raiding nearby females' farms until they are rammed off the territory. Number 4. Dam shellfish. Longfin dam shellfish are exceptional farmers. Not only do they maintain a crop, but they also have domesticated shrimp, which help fertilize the farm. Dam shellfish can only eat certain types of algae as their digestive systems cannot handle anything too fibrous. To ensure they have adequate food supplies, the fish establish territories where they weed out unwanted algae, following their chosen crop to flourish. In many regions, the algae that dam shellfish eat are found exclusively inside the farms. Outside of the fish's influence, other species of algae overgrow and outcompete it. To protect their farms, dam shellfish are very quick to chase off intruders, except for one tiny zooplankton, mysid shrimp. Dam shellfish keep swarms of the shrimp on the farms, which is important for algae growth. While the shrimp stay protected from predators, they are busy depositing waste over the farm, which enriches the algae. Researchers compare dam shellfish farms with and without shrimp swarms and found that farms with shrimp have higher quality algae. 3. Upside down jellyfish. These jellyfish go by many names. However, Cassiopeia jellyfish is probably best known for its strange habit of lying upside down. The spotted jellyfish doesn't spend a lot of time swimming and instead farms algae, which it grows inside its body. By turning upside down, the jellyfish exposes its underside to the sun, which is essential for the algae to photosynthesize and provide nutrition. For most species, this algae farm supplies the majority but not all of its nutritional needs. Roughly 10 to 30% of the rest of the jellyfish's diet comes from catching food with its tentacles. It uses stinging cells to stun zooplankton and then directs the stunned food into its mouth. 2. Yeti crabs. Deep in the ocean, scientists have found crabs with big, shaggy arms that resemble limbs one might find on the abominable snowman. However, these distinctive arms serve an important purpose. Yeti crabs grow bacteria on these hairy claws, ensuring they have a constant supply of food. Other creatures, such as deep sea shrimp, have bacteria on their body which they feed on. However, the Yeti crabs are different. Crabs farm the bacteria by waving their claws over the fluid that escapes from deep-sea hypothermal vents or methane vents. This behavior washes nutrients over the bacteria in an environment totally removed from our sun-loving ways of life. Without the crab's rhythmic waving dance, the bacteria would exhaust its supply of methane or oxygen. The Yeti crab harvests its bacteria crop by using specialized hairs around its mouth to scrape its claws. 1. Pocket gophers. Examining the list so far, it could be celebrated that humans are the only mammal to farm. However, the final entry of today proves that we aren't. These feisty burrowing rodents farm roots in their tunnels to supply up to 60% of their diet. Burrowing takes a lot of energy, and pocket gophers may have found a way to make sure they have a steady food source by carefully cropping and fertilizing roots in their tunnels, like some other entries on this list. The gophers aren't planting the crops that they eat. However, their behavior ensures the growth and propagation of this food source. Inside pocket gopher tunnels, the air is moist and the soil is packed full of nutrients from gopher waste. Roots and nearby vegetation flourish in these conditions. The gophers crop these nutritional intrusions, which promotes further growth. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.